Hi, welcome to the latest episode from Slovenia. Beautiful country, very welcoming, fantastic, beautiful vistas, ski lifts and chairlifts, and Luna takes part in poo rolling quite a lot. We visit Lake Bled, the most popular area in Slovenia, before heading over the border to Austria and the Grossglockner Pass, I believe it's called, which is probably one of the most scenic drives in Europe. But then things go a little bit wrong and I get stung with an enormous bill from a garage, and the weather is quite changeable. Carry on watching, hope you enjoyed the episode. We're at an aire tonight in Slovenia, and it's got all free services and a little nearby, and the Pasterze free Wi-Fi, which look quite speedy as well. So I think it's Brezice where we are.
Wow.
Very pretty town.
It's got a totally different vibe. Absolutely feels like, oh my god, we're back in Europe.
So an early start this morning. We're away before 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's reason being was last night's park got excellent, really nice, free air. However, next door to it they were refurbishing a building. The cement mixer started arriving at 7:30 this morning, so it was time to move on. So we're heading back into the Slovenian countryside, and first impressions is it's really beautiful. Much more groomed than what we've been used to for over the last few weeks, but very nice. I'll show you this through here, look. Ski jumps on the other side of a river. And here's our beautiful little campsite with a stream right in front of the vans. You get much closer than that. That's a top place. Very calm night. Well, I'm out on my own today, going on a bike ride without Sarah and without Luna. It's doing a bit of a road ride on a gravel bike and lots of climbing on it. So it's probably, and it's quite a hot day, so probably too much certainly for the dog. We'll see how it goes. So Slovenia is so pretty. Just didn't expect this, I don't think, when we came here. The villages are pristine. There's so many architectural differences in churches, and then you've got the mountains and old buildings and new buildings and fascinating barns. It's a real gem of a place. Gorgeous valley. Well, it's not a valley, it's a bloody big hill actually. Oh, I'm blowing. Church services on. So at last a bit of shade. I think I'm just climbing about 800 metres. And it's so hot as well. Still showing red. The gradient's definitely eased now. Surely it can't be much further now to the top. I've finally made it. It's gone green. And there's a bar. I'm so tempted, but I'm going to be good. I'm going to carry on. Just a little river. It's so pretty. Proper campers tonight. We've got a campfire going. It's a nice campsite though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lovely campsite. Loads of facilities, lovely location, really nice.
Everything's spotlessly clean. We'll put the link below in the comments to it. But it's very nice. This morning we're setting off to a ski centre, we think. So it's retracing yesterday's bike ride steps for a start. Come on. No, can't walk. Oh, we're off again. How much was it? Was it 50 euros? No, it was more, wasn't it?
57, I think.
57 euros.
No, something
Good
like
grief.
that. Make it worth it.
Well, it's not even any snow.
We might find some snow.
The dog's just rolled in some cow poo.
Come here.
She's in disgrace. So apparently all these herdsmen's huts were burnt to the ground during World War II by the Germans. So they've been rebuilt since, obviously. Brave now, aren't you?
The other side of the
An electric fence running up and down. Yeah. Lots and lots and lots. How many do you reckon? 30 or 40 is the official number.
Yes, there's a lot.
And that smallest one down there is a little museum. €8 to get in. It's not cheap out here. It's lovely. Today's another tourist day. Lake Bled today. There's this apiary here, which Sarah loves a good apiary, having been a beekeeper. Not getting me any closer than this though, because I sting. It is the biggest attraction in Slovenia, Lake Bled. Oh, there's a bobsleigh thingy over there on that other mountain. No! So second day on the trot, the dog has been rolling in goose poo or duck poo, I think. So she's going in.
Hello.
It's very pretty. And we're leaving Slovenia and heading into Austria. It's a nice park. We're in Austria and Dolomite something. Dolomite Strauss. It looks like there's a toll road which goes. Barrier station there, like the toll station there. Where it actually goes. There's no internet here, so it's hard to find any information. We'll pay for the parking in the hotel there, or there is a parking machine there. And it's €12 for the night. Lovely park up last night, nice and quiet. And now we're going down this very steep hill. We're heading to the Grossglockner High Pass of the road. Supposedly one of the must-do drives in Austria. It's going through Winkler. It's another pretty town. So the entrance into the national park was €46 each, so properly expensive. However, you do get to see a glacier and there's various interest points along the way, hiking trails. So yeah, a little treat I guess, but it is so beautiful. Running along the path is a marmot. Or motorbike parking spots. Little tower there, not allowed in it because of a dog. Lots of motorbikes on this path. Oh, I'll have a little lick. Yeah. Nom, 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 nom. It's time to be throwing that back up again.
I hope not.
So I think the top tip is to do this pass early in the day. Don't leave it too late, because once the crowds are going up it, and I think most people are doing it north to south as well. So if you do it the other way, you're not hitting as much traffic, or you're not in as much traffic. Yeah, it's looking like rain.
Not a good weather day.
That's where we've just come from. It's a very impressive waterfall over there, right in the distance. Morning from Uttendorf. So yeah, why are we here? Well, my van. We went for a beautiful drive yesterday, as you'll see from videos, but yeah, went over the passes, and it was the final straw. My brakes gave up on me really. It was scraping, you know, that grating noise you're coming down the hill. It's my own fault. I should have got them replaced. I was sort of like half warned in Morocco when we got to Spain. I asked the mechanic to check them. I don't think he ever did. So yeah, so cut a long story short, it's an expensive
Metal on metal is the word.
yeah, and so we went to the garage yesterday. He couldn't do it till Friday morning, so we've had a couple of days stopping that place behind the park up there.
Not a bad place, is it?
No, it's €13 for the night, and then we get showers and whatever. So yeah.
Zeller See.
Weather's turned on Lake Zeller See. Zeller See. Just to prove it's not all glamour on our trip. Well, it's still glamorous, but it's a bit wet. Caught in a bit of a thunderstorm. However, it's not cold, but we haven't got coats, we haven't got brollies. It's bouncing. The thunder is just constant at the moment. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful, but
Rock and roll.
This is what we signed up for. So this is our park up. Pouring rain, a bit atmospheric, but I do like it. It's the night after the storm. Dropped the van off at the garage this morning and then rode back on my bike and gone for a bimble up to a waterfall, which I didn't take any video of. And it's probably not worth seeing anyway, it's just like a normal waterfall.
It's not that spectacular. We're getting spoiled, aren't we, really?
Yeah, rate my waterfall. Here I am at the Fiat dealer, and the van's over there. Hopefully it's got new shoes and pads and yeah, brake discs, brake pads fitted. Safe to drive again. Woohoo! It's all good to go. The van is now all fixed. The brakes work, which is always reassuring, and we're now heading. Well, we're almost going to another country. We're on to the border of Liechtenstein, which is 3 hour 41 minute drive from where we are at the moment. We've driven over to Sibbertal, still in Austria, and this place it's €6 for the night. Well, it's from 5 AM tomorrow morning through till about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we paid that. We'll have a wander around in the morning, but 6 o'clock at night we've just arrived. Beautiful spot. Lovely evening light on the hills. We can pick up on there or not, but there's some pretty big fish in this stream. Pond. Oh, it's a pond, it's not a stream. I don't think it is it? Oh, okay. Pet salmon, I think. Alright, give us a tune.
Channel my inner Edelweiss.
I was going to say don't give up your day job, but you haven't got one. We're guessing this is our last day in Austria. And we're now going to head over. You want an extra sticker on your van, don't you?
I want my flag, so we're going to go through Liechtenstein and then we're going to try and do Switzerland without buying a vignette because they're really expensive for a day.
So that'll be south of Lake Constance.
Yeah.
So,
and then into Germany and the Black Forest.
Black Forest is the destination, I think.
Yeah, that's the next sort of goal.